Hi everybody, today it's Sunday, March 22nd, and I'm going to be shooting this video from my home office slash home gym. So I'm just in the midst of a 2-hour bike ride right now, and later this afternoon I'm hoping to get an extra hour in on the bike outside. But the purpose of this video is to talk about what I'm doing for an upcoming listing. I know there's a lot of debate right now whether real estate should be happening. The reality is there's buyers and sellers who still need to buy and sell. We have completely stopped open houses with our brokerage. I noticed there's been a couple of open houses this weekend with other brokerages, but today it looks like a few more have been canceled, so hopefully all of those have been canceled, and meetings and viewings should only happen if absolutely necessary. So with that said, what I'm doing right now is I am creating a system and process for an upcoming listing to try to sell this house virtually, or do my very best to limit the number of showings to only those that are qualified and really want this home. So I'm just creating a web portal right now that is going to describe the listing. It's going to have my normal video tour of the property. And then down below, we're mentioning that before booking a showing for this house, we want you to check out the following links. The first one, of course, is the MLS listing. The second one is an iGuide 360-degree photos of the property, floor plans, and a tool. So it's going to be a link to a tool that you could actually take measurements of the house on your computer. So some pretty cool technology out there. The next thing is I'm actually going to do a very unedited, uncut video walkthrough of the entire house, including closets, including the laundry room, the utility room, furnace, everything. The kinds of things that I normally wouldn't put on a video tour, I'm going to put on a virtual walkthrough tour of the home so that people could walk through the house and literally do a virtual viewing of the property. I'm also going to have an additional information sheet that'll be accessible, and then a mandatory showing instruction page. So, for example, if you've been out of the country for the last 2 weeks, we don't want you viewing the property. If you're feeling unwell, of course, we don't want you viewing the property. And then there's going to be proper sanitary measures. We're going to request that only the agent that's showing the property can touch door handles, doorknobs, things like that. We're going to have wipes, and we're going to have sanitary gel, of course, at the property. So just a few of the things that I'm doing for this particular listing. You'll see that in the upcoming days. In the meantime, I'm going to get back to my bike ride. Stay safe. I hope you're all doing well, and we'll catch up with you shortly. Thanks a lot.